Where are we? Pull these fenders off. Wiring loom is still, yeah, it's actually not too in depth, the old wiring loom. But I've labelled all the bits and pieces that I need to keep, because I will get confused. But yeah, I'll pull these fenders off and we need to start stripping everything off the firewall. So yeah, master cylinders, obviously brake and clutch. Yeah, everything that's attached to that firewall needs to come off. Same with all these inner guards. Everything needs to come off of that. Batteries can come out. I don't know why I've still got them in there, but yeah, pretty well keep stripping. Keep labelling things, because my memory's shot. And then, when we've got everything engine bay related, I'll get under the car. Anything, once again, same as the G60, anything that's touching the body needs to come off. Then body mounts, I'm not looking forward to them. When I did the GU body mounts, the car's like 10 years newer. That was a nightmare. Had to heat them up. I guess this one I don't have to look after too much, but yeah. That could be interesting. So let's get into it. Fenders off, start this engine bay. Wow. Unless they've been replaced, that is unbelievable. Happy days. If they're all like that, I'll be stoked. That's 3. 3 down, 5 to go. So there's a little pile of stuff that will be kept. Now, got my winches up there. I'm pretty certain that everything, there might be, I don't know, it could be a little wire or something stuck under there, but I'll start lifting that body up and work that out as we go. But as far as I can tell, everything's disconnected from chassis to body. So we'll sling it up. We'll just ease it up. And then the plan will be once the body is clear of the chassis and motor, I'll push the chassis out from underneath it. I want to give that a good clean while it's out, so I'll push it over onto a wash bay and give that a good gurney. While that's out, I'll bring the truck in and put the body straight onto the back of the truck to get that out. Hopefully I've got enough height clearance under the roller door, but we'll work that out as we go. If not, I might have to go to the forklift. Then when that's all clean, I'll bring the chassis back in and yeah, we'll try and get this G60. I want it slung up pretty sturdy, so that's going to be up and down and cutting and welding and whatever. So there'll be a fair bit of work going into that, but it'll be nice to actually see what I've got to do to get it to fit around the motor and all that sort of nonsense. To make the job easier, well, hopefully easier, I've gone and bought some vehicle positioning jacks. I've got this little attachment for my gurney. It's a Husqvarna. Oh, I'll put this down here somewhere. So it's basically a pipe cleaner, but it works really well for internal chassis cleans. And going on the rest of this chassis, I imagine it's pretty dirty in there. Basically, it's for a pipe, so plumbing for cleaning, you know, PVC pipe underground sort of thing. It's got an 8 metre lead on it, and it basically self-feeds. The jets sort of point backwards, so it sucks it in, and all the crap drops out the bottom of your chassis. It's a hell of a thing. GQ shell is gone, sitting on the back of my truck. Chassis cleaned up, good enough for now. It's actually quite clean. Next port of call is to bang the G60, get it hoisted above this bay where the hoists are, and that way I can lower it and lift it up and down as many times as I need to see what I need to do. These vehicle positioning jacks, they'll do the trick. It takes a bit of effort to get your casters to change directions, so that could probably get pretty old pretty quick. But yeah, as far as methods of moving this sideways in the shed, it's probably the easiest way that I can think of. Even if I had a hoist, it'd still need to do that, or at least back and forward. So it'll work. We'll deal with what we've got. But yeah, next step, cab on. You'll all be really happy to know that I found the other 14mm socket. It was in the 19mm socket holster, so now I don't have a 19mm socket. We'll find it.